gorgeous. This is Melanie here with Makeup by Melanie B, and today we're going to do under eye camouflage. So I've already done my foundation. I actually put on VFX first after my primer, and then I put a little bit of CC cream right across here just where I need a little extra coverage. And that's what I've done so far. So what I thought we would do is play with the Pata cream that I have. That's the foundation. It's the Pata Flawless Touch Cream Foundations, and try those under the eye and see if we can get a little extra coverage. For those of you who have under eye bags or circles that you're really struggling to conceal, we're going to try this today and see how well this works. We're going to go in with the Soft Orange liquid concealer, and just to get rid of some of the surface blue that's in there. So I'm going to just use my fingertip to start and just pat that in. And I'm going to bring it down just a little bit to blend it out. And then I'm going to use the blender sponge in a minute to finish blending that better. Using your fingertip can help because it's got warmth in it, so it will blend better. I don't want to add a lot of thickness and a lot of weight under my eye, but I really did want to try this and see if this would work. So I'm going to try the 03 Pata cream first. I'm going to use my fingertip and just pat that on in my trouble spots. And it is difficult when my lights kind of cast these crazy shadows. And I've tried all different lighting techniques. I used to be a photographer, so I know how to set up lighting typically, but for some reason I just can't get it to work right with my makeup videos. But anyway, so you can see that really does automatically give you a lot of great coverage. So you might want to consider one of the Pata creams as your concealer, because once it dries, it gives you a powdery finish, like a cream to powder type of finish. And nobody said it had to be only used as a foundation. The nice thing about this is that even though it is a foundation, it's very affordable. So for now, those bags are almost completely gone. And I mean, I'm really impressed with that. I'm going to take the Light Ivory Liquid Concealer. And this is my little trick for when I really am struggling with some dark circles or purple, under eye discoloration, that you take something with a pointed tip. Now I'm going to use this to apply. And then, so you're just going to put that right on the lines where they're dark. And it's like, what? A lot of it. Then I'm going to take this concealer brush. This is just a flat concealer, and I'm going to pat it on. And I don't want to bring it up in here, because what I'm going to do is bring more roundedness to that section. So I'm going to try to keep it on that line as much as possible to totally give you the illusion that that line is gone. You see how that one looks already? And I'm going to turn a little bit just so you can see with better light how the darkness is going away. I'm going to get my mirror. A little bit here in this inner corner, just to brighten up that corner. Now going in with a number 2 Pata cream, I'm going to take the tip of my concealer brush just so that it's on a sharp edge like this, and I'm going to draw over those dark circles. Use my fingertip to pat it in. I don't know why one of my eyes has always got more darkness than the other. I just got it on my cheek, yeah. And let's just kind of softly blend that in. Using the warmth of my finger. I don't want to remove it. So, can you see how well that camouflaged my under eye circles? Now, before I'm done, I'm almost finished. You can see there's hardly any circles at all, and that is with the harsh lights that I have. I'm going to go in with the Terracotta 02 Porcelain Powder. This stuff has almost got like a highlight to it. So I'm going to try this. I'm going to take my blender sponge and get some of this powder and just pat to set. Same with the other one. And that's it. And look, I mean, I don't think that you could see those circles right now. From here where I'm sitting, I can't see them. It's a quick and easy technique. And then I will proceed with the rest of my makeup, and I will be back for that tutorial. But I hope you enjoyed this quick and easy under eye camouflage video. And I hope I see you back soon. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss future videos. And thank you as always for watching.